Hi, my name's Kevin Dahm. I'm the founder of Save the Oceans Incorporated. We're a company that was founded to solve the global oil pollution problem. The company was formed in 1994 when a client of mine asked me to get rid of their oil stains in their parking lot. I used to fix their building problems, their roofing systems, their anti-graffiti systems, waterproofing, that sort of thing. And they said, can you get rid of these stains? So I spent some time and I formulated a cleaner that would pull oil right out of asphalt. Little did I know that there can be liters and quarts of oil in any individual stain. So when we put the product down, we were right beside the Fraser River, which is the largest salmon-bearing stream in the world, and we made a nice big oil spill. So everybody was a little bit concerned. When I saw how much oil was in the parking lot, I started looking around, and I saw in the streets and undergrounds and overground parking lots, the oil was everywhere. So this led me to the University of British Columbia, where I met Professor Ken Hall, who happened to be the top expert in the world on this type of pollution. It turns out oil in parking lots is the #1 source of water pollution that's wiping out the entire aquatic world. Every year, we dump 100 Exxon Valdez spills annually to just disappear into the environment. And all of that oil is going down the drain and just layering the bottoms of the streams, rivers, and our oceans. When I saw how great a problem we had, I realized there's got to be a solution. Well, what do we do with all this oil? So when I looked at the problem, I realized the trick is we've got to be able to clean up that oil and recycle it. We don't want to just pick it up as hazardous waste and throw it in a dump because it just ends up right back in the environment. So when I saw that solution, I realized that there is a process that I could patent. The ability to remove an oil from a surface, like such as a parking lot, and be able to recycle it. And that opened many doors, one of them being our Oillift cleaning product. So what is Oillift anyway? Well, Oillift basically is a green cleaner that goes through surfaces and debonds oil. But because of that interesting characteristic, you can also use it on other things. We started experimenting and we found, hey, we can clean jet aircraft with it. It's now Boeing approved. We're using it on ships. But homeowners have found amazing things. They use it in their laundry instead of laundry detergent. It takes out red wine. It takes out blood stains. You don't need bleach anymore. A big application is gum remover from carpets. So because of that unique lifting property that originally was developed for oil cleanup, people have discovered they can take 95% of all their cleaners and replace it with this one simple product. Well, Oillift has gone through hundreds of generations. When it originally started, it was actually a toxic product. But because of its unique lifting characteristics, where it goes through a surface, such as oil, and draws it out, we realized that we could use that in multiple applications. However, we had to make it green. And this is where my chief scientist, Bill Allman, got involved, and through hundreds of experiments, created the first industrial-strength Ecologo certified cleaner in the world. Well, the Ecologo program is really amazing. It's basically the highest standard in the world. There's 29 of them around the world. In the States, you have Green Seal, although the Canadian government Ecologo is applied in the States, in Mexico, and China now. But basically, it is the standard that is set. It's the bar for people in the chemical industry to say that I am actually green. It's not just the chemistry that they actually evaluate, it's all the marketing claims as well. So when you see the Ecologo on a product, you know it's been through the highest standard of rigorous testing on the planet. A lot of people today are buying products that they think are green, where in fact they're not. We call this subject greenwash. In fact, I wrote a book about it called How to Kill Your Cleaning Staff, which is a free download on our website. People don't realize how seriously they're affecting themselves by using all these toxic cleaners. In fact, women in the home, they have a 60% higher cancer rate than women in the workplace. It's this constant toxic exposure. Interestingly enough, the Ecologo people did an amazing study where they looked at 1,019 products that were labeled as green, and they only found one of them that could actually back up their marketing claims. So you as a consumer are basically being greenwashed. So if you want to find out how to solve that problem, go in, download my free book. It's a good laugh, How to Kill Your Cleaning Staff, and you'll be able to see what's really green and what's not.